what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we.
Hey guys, it's Gold Rogue here, back with another video, and today I bring to you this. It is pandemonium outside. We're under not tornado, but we're under thunderstorm warning or thunderstorm watch. The reason why I haven't been uploading that much is because I don't have any ideas, because I can't really upload any Minecraft or gaming videos on my phone, because of course YT Gaming retired. I think you guys already know that, and I can't do the Minecraft test that one of you guys asked me to do. But yeah, it's been storming like that. My TV's power went out for a few seconds, but it came back on. And, yeah, that's it. Bye!